Hello everyone, welcome to new video. Today I got a new camera, SonyAlpha A6400. This is the newest product of Sony. SonyAlpha A6400 mirrorless digital camera with 16 to 50mm lenses comes with 24.2 megapixels APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor, BIONZ X image processor. Real-time IAF. Newly adopted AI-based subject recognition technology processes a vast amount of data to detect and track even rapidly moving subjects. Enhanced real-time IAF-7 reliably recognizes human faces, and focuses precisely on a person's eyes. Now you can select left eye, right eye, or auto from the menu in advance, leaving you free to concentrate on composition. These selections can be assigned to custom buttons, allowing you to quickly toggle between choices mid-shoot. Real-time tracking. For sporting events and other situations where your subjects are moving quickly, keeping them in constant focus can make all the difference between catching an important dramatic moment or missing it. 4D focus. Wide 425-point coverage, fast 0.02 seconds.
AF speed steadfast tracking.
Densely distributed focus points blanket around 84% of the image area, aiding subject capture. Fast continuous shooting with AF-A at up to 11 fps/4. Fire off shots at up to 11 fps/4 with after view or 8 fps/4 for live view, with minimal display lag, and take up to around 116 shots in JPEG standard, or 46 shots in compressed RAW format in one continuous burst. Exmor APS-C CMOS sensor. A 24.2 megapixel 11 sensor plus the APS-C sensor features copper wiring and enhanced circuit processing that aid in boosting light collection efficiency. In conjunction with the image processing engine, this helps achieve superior image resolution and more natural depiction of textures. 24.2 MP resolution. Fine details and clarity. Thanks to the large sensor and the latest image processing engine, you can shoot whatever you encounter in your everyday life, with beautifully crisp and clear images and natural colors even in low-light settings. Up to ISO 32000. More shadow details. Improved noise suppression has led to cleaner image quality, even in dark scenes where high-sensitivity shooting is required. The native ISO sensitivity has increased to a maximum ISO 32000, with expanded ISO sensitivity at a maximum ISO 102400 for stills. Noise reduction is particularly effective in the frequently used medium to high sensitivity range. Natural skin tones. Image processing algorithms inherited from full-frame cameras have led the way to more lifelike color reproduction. Human skin tones look more natural, and reproduction of plant colors has also been improved. Smooth focusing without disruption between skateboarders. A newly developed subject recognition algorithm processes spatial information based on color, subject distance, depth, pattern, brightness, and face and eye information at high speed in real time. Creative movie production. From full pixel readout without pixel binning, enabling high-resolution 4K movie recording to HDR, HLG2 and S-Log, S-Gamut 12 options and slow and quick motion recording 13, the Alpha 6400 is loaded with advanced capabilities to support your movie-making creativity. High-resolution 4K HDR movie recording. Super 35mm format recording with 2.4x14 oversampling results in 4K movies QFHD 3840 by 2160 with extraordinary image quality. Compact body. The A6400 has a compact body, so it's very comfortable to carry around all day. Improved autofocus, a fully flip-up LCD screen, and a higher ISO range. Perfect selfies and vlogging. The 3.0 type, 180-degree tiltable LCD screen does more than just display the scene in front of you, it gives you quick control over a number of the camera's functions, with a variety of intuitive touch operations. Perfect for serious shooting. Each of the camera's 8 keys and controls can be assigned to any of 89 functions and operations, with different operations depending on whether you're shooting still images or movies, or in replay mode. Built interval recording. Create timer-lapse movies using Image Edge Viewer desktop application and Play Memories Home. The new product of SonyAlpha A6400 is very useful, very beautiful, and if you want to know more information about his product, click the link below, and please don't miss the like and subscribers.